Friends, how do tarot cards work? Anybody and everybody, whether they are skeptical about tarots or they believe in tarot card readings, have this question in mind: how do tarot cards work? Friends, everything around us is energy. Even science has now proven that everything is energy, even mass is energy. That is what E = mc square says, right? That mass is also energy. And everything is vibrating at its own frequency. Somebody's frequencies are lower and somebody's are higher. See friends, that is why we have also experienced this, that there are some people whom we really like meeting. You want to meet that person again and again and again. And when you meet that person, you feel calm and peaceful. There are other people whom you want to run away from. This is because of the frequency of their vibrations. They have been doing actions and they have been thinking thoughts repeatedly for years and years. And depending on whether those thoughts and actions are positive or negative, their frequency determines the frequency in turn of the person. So friends, there are three issues at hand. One is things. They have their own energies. Second is people. They also have their own energies and frequencies and vibrations. And lastly, we have situations. Every situation has its own frequency. When we go to a happy place, happy events, marriages, childbirth, we feel happy. We go to a peaceful place of worship, we feel peaceful. On the other hand, when we go to places of war, crime, we feel low, negative. So all three of these things, people and situations have their own energies and they are vibrating at their own frequency. And all of these energies, everything that has happened from time immemorial is stored in the Akashic records. Everything that we are thinking and doing, everything that is happening is getting stored in the Akashic records. Friends, it is these Akashic records based on which tarot cards work. It is this energy that tarot cards work on, the energy of the Akashic records. See, everything is one. Everything is connected. The querent, the cards, the Akashic records. Some people say that tarot cards have their own energy. I would not agree with that. They have only as much energy as anything else has. Everything has energy, so tarot cards have their own energy, but it is not more or less than anything else. They cannot possibly work through that energy. The energy that they are working through is the energy which they are tapping into of the Akashic records. When we talk about psychics and clairvoyants, we call them as mediums. Why are they called as mediums? Because they also are tapping into the Akashic records. They remove themselves. The psychic has trained himself to become a medium and allow these energies, these messages to flow through them by removing themselves from the way. That is exactly what tarot cards also do. They work as a medium, allowing the information to reveal through them. They work through the energies of these things, people and situations. The querent is also basically just a bundle of things, people and situations. There are situations, events in the person's life, there are things, material things, and then there are people around him. So tarot cards become a medium picking up these energies. This is also one of the major reasons why, friends, In tarot cards, clearing up of the mind, praying to our deity, praying to the omnipowerful, praying to the supreme power is said to be of such great importance whenever we do a tarot card reading. Because we are praying to the energy to flow through us. And at the same time, when we are praying, we are saying that we bow down in front of you. We are removing ourselves from the way, and you flow through us, through the tarot cards and through us. That is why we talk about the connection, connecting with the tarot cards and connecting with ourselves. When we say ourselves, what we mean is connecting with the Supreme Self. Friends, somewhere or the other, every tarot card beginner, reader, has this question, this doubt. Will I be able to do it? Will I be able to be a tarot card reader? Friends, we have a lot of things. There are so many courses out there. We do not question ourselves when we set out to learn something else, but we have this doubt when we set out to learn tarot cards. Basically, the doubt is that will I be able to read what the cards are telling me by putting myself out of the way? Will I be able to become a medium? Will I be able to be insightful and tune into my own intuitions? Friends, practice makes perfect. So I would suggest that from now itself, you start with this practice. Whenever you sit with your tarot cards, you pray and you tell the Supreme Power, whichever deity you believe in, you tell the energy to take over. You can start by meditating also. If meditation is your kind of thing, you can meditate. Otherwise, simply whenever you sit for your tarot card reading, learning your tarot cards, you put yourself aside. You start with a prayer that I am putting myself aside. You flow through me. Tune into the energies of the card. Tune into the energies of the querent. By putting yourself away, become a medium. With practice, you will be able to do it. Friends, having understood that tarot cards work on the energies stored in the Akashic records and all around us in this universe, now it is time to understand the structure of the tarot deck. What are the different cards? What are the different types of cards in a tarot deck? How many cards are there? And how are they divided? How can you recognize a tarot card by looking at it? How can you tell what card is it? To begin with, this is very important, and the first step to be able to read tarot cards, first step is to recognize which card is it that I'm holding in my hand. Come friends, let us move on to our next video. Friends, if you have any questions regarding the video, any feedback, please share it in the comments section below. Also, we are starting on a new journey here. We are all working towards becoming tarot card readers. You would be having your aspirations, dreams, hopes, maybe some fears, inhibitions. Feel free to share them here in the comments section. We will try and address them. By subscribing to the channel and hitting on the notification bell, you will be informed whenever a new video is uploaded on our channel.